Albert Einstein, the great Albert Einstein, defined insanity as follows: doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. That's what Albert Einstein said. If his definition is true, and I'm not to argue with Einstein, the House Republicans have truly lost their minds. This week, the House of Representatives will vote for the 37th time. Mr. President, 37th time. What are they voting on 37 times? Exactly the same thing. They're voting to repeal the landmark constitutional health care reform bill known as Obamacare now. And I say that proudly. After last year's election, Speaker Boehner conceded that Obamacare is here to stay. Here's what he said, and I quote, "It's pretty clear that the president was reelected." I think that's a fair statement. He went on to say, "Obama is the law of the land." Again, the speaker said, it's pretty clear that President Obama was reelected and Obamacare is the law of the land. So no matter what he said then, this is now, and he's changed his mind. The House will waste yet another week on another dead-end repeal vote. Perhaps Republicans think the 37th time is the charm. 37 times on the exact same thing. Tea Party extremists bullied the Speaker into holding yet another vote to repeal the Affordable Care Act and roll back benefits for tens of millions of Americans. This is what the Speaker said last week. This is a quote: "We've got 70 new members who've not had an opportunity to vote on the president's health care law. Frankly, they've been asking for an opportunity to vote on it." Close quote. Mr. President, this political kabuki has tied up the floor of the House of Representatives for weeks and cost the American taxpayers $52.4 million and counting. And these are figures compiled by CBS News. Just wasting 37 votes of all the House staff and all other personnel that have responsibilities for making sure that place runs as well as it does. That money, $52.4 million, is enough to restore funding for 19 million meals for homebound seniors, or 6,900 children dropped from the Head Start program. But while the vote may be political theater, it does have one benefit. The American people will know where the freshman class of House Republicans stand. I think we know, but it'll give another opportunity to see this. Do they stand with millions of Americans who are already benefiting from Obamacare? We know that answer. Or do they stand with insurance companies? We know that answer.